beautiful thing about learning is that nobody can take it away from us. Good morning, kids. Hope you all are fine and healthy at home. In our previous class, we have learned counting from 1 to 9. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now tell me what number comes after 9? What comes after 9? Do you know the answer? Okay, now tell me how many fingers we have? Count your fingers. How many fingers we have? Yes, we have 10 fingers. Kids, yesterday I went to market to purchase some fruits. I bought fruits from the market. Now you will count the fruits and we will know the answer what comes after 9. Okay, count the fruits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fruits are here? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I bought 10 fruits from the market. How many fruits are here? 10. Yes. So 10 fruits. Number 10 comes after 9. Do you know fruits are very healthy for us? We should eat one fruit every day because it keeps us away from the doctors. Okay kids, now you got the answer. What comes after 9? Yes, 10. What comes after 9? 10. Let's do it again counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, now let's do an activity for number 10. I have so many blocks here. Red color block, yellow color block, green color and blue color. And I have made counting of flashcards. Flashcards counting. So we will start making a building tower or a house for the help of blocks and help of counting. So let's start. This is number 1. So I am taking one block. 1. Now next number is 2. This is 1. Next I am taking, so it becomes 2. 1, 2, 3. So I am taking another. Now it becomes 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the next number is 5. Yes. Now this is 5th block. 5. Now next number is 6. 6. So we will attach it here. 6. Yes. Now what number comes? 7. Now I have taken another for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now next number is 8. Yes, I have taken another for number 8. Now next is number 9. This is for number 9. Yes. Now last number we have done today is number 10. 1, 0, 10. This is for number 10. Okay, now we have made a beautiful house with the help of 10 blocks. Kids, all of you have so many blocks, colorful blocks at your home. So you can make anything with the help of blocks. It looks nice. Yes, a beautiful house with the help of 10 blocks. Do you like it? Yes, very good. Do you want to play a game? Okay, my friend is playing a game with help of counting. Do you want to play? Okay, let's go with them. We will play a game. Let's go. Kids, meet with John. John is playing a jumping game with the help of all these flashcards. Like this is number 1. So John will jump 1 time like this. 1. Now this is number 2. John jumps for 2 times. 1, 2. Now this is number 3. So 1, 2, 3. Next is number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next is number 6. So John will jump for 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next 7 times jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. Now John will jump 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So last number is number 10. 1, 0, 10. Now John will jump for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and last is 10. Now we will learn the formation of number 10. 1, 0, 10. Look here how to write 10. First of all, we will make 1 like this, standing line. 1. Now 0. Curve towards right turn. Next, curve towards left side. It will become 0. 1, 0. So 1, 0, 10. Okay kids, I hope you have the recognition of number 10. 1, 0, 10. Okay kids, now look at the stars. How many stars I have drawn on the notebook? Now let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. This is number 10. 1, 0, 10. Now look here how ma'am is writing. This is 1, and when we make 0, starting from dot, move towards right turn, touch the bottom, and upper towards left turn, join the dot. 10. 1, again 0. 10. 1, right curve, and again left curve. 1, right curve, left curve. Parents, you can make a story for the kids like 1, starting from dot. Kid, you will go to your mama like this. मम्मा पास, फिर हम यहाँ से गए पापा पास. 1, यहाँ से पहले जाना है हमने मम्मा के पास. आफ्टर देन वी विल गो पापा पास. It becomes 10. Again 1. It's free hand. Only 2 dots. With the help of 2 dots, kid will draw 10. Mama pass. Papa pass. 10. Okay, now I have made a small puzzle. Parents, you can also draw for the practice of your kid. Like there are so many numbers. You can ask the kid to circle only 1, 0, 10. Like today we have done 1, 0, 10. So we will circle here 1, 0, 10. Kid will find out where the number 10. Is it 10? Is it 10? No, it's number 4. It's number 7 and it's number 10. Now we will circle number 10. Yes. Now in the next row, this is number 6. This is number 2. This is number 10. We find out number 10. Now this is number 3. No, it is not 10. Is it 10? No. Is it 10? Yay! We have found number 10. This is number 5. This is number 8. Is it 10? Yes. This is number 10. 3. Again we got number 10. Yes. 7. Now we have find all the 10s. Now ma'am will give smiley for all the kids because they have done very good. Excellent work. Very good. Kids, I hope you have learned number 10. 1, 0, 10. And you have learned counting 1 to 10. You can do all these activities at your home for your practice. And parents, you can also give them objects like spoons, candies and vegetables in your vegetable box so that kid can count them and they can remember the counting for a long time. Or even after, whenever you will go upstairs, you can write the counting on the stairs so that when the kid moves step by step, he or she will count and speak the counting so that he can count the steps or he can learn the counting. You can give them puzzles for their recognition. You can give them so many activities at their home. Okay kids, now you can do this 1010 page on your Peekaboo book, capital Peekaboo book or your small Peekaboo book along with your notebooks. Okay kids, bye bye. Have a nice day.
The Singing Walrus.
Counting from 1 to 10.
One, two, three.
1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6.
7,
7,
8,
8,
9 and 10.
9 and 10.
Do you know how to count?
Yes, I know how to count.
Do you know
Do you know
how to count?
how to count? Yes,